Meaning of informed.
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 Informed. The term informed refers to being knowledgeable or having access to relevant information. Being informed means having the necessary understanding and awareness about a particular issue or topic. It involves acquiring and processing information from various sources like books, news, research studies, and personal experiences. Being an informed individual is important as it enables one to make well-informed decisions and take appropriate actions. It also helps to avoid misinformation and develop critical thinking skills. In summary, being informed equips people with the ability to navigate the complexities of their environment and make informed choices.